In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Odoo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Changing the currency in Odoo can seem daunting at first, but I assure you it's quite simple once you get the hang of it. So, let's dive right in. First, start by logging into your Odoo account. When you get to the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Home section. This is typically where you can access all the modules you have available. Once you're on the home screen, the next step is to go into the Accounting module. You can do this by either clicking directly on the Accounting app, or if you don't see it readily available, use the search feature to find it. Once you're in the Accounting module, look for the Configuration tab. Click on that, and it should take you to additional settings related to your accounting operations. Next, you'll want to look for Settings within the Configuration area. This section allows you to tailor various accounting preferences, including currency settings. Click on it, and you should bring up a new page with several options. Now, on to the important part, changing your currency. In the Settings section, look for the Currencies option. This will take you to the screen where you can manage multiple currencies for your business. It's important to have this set correctly to avoid any confusion when dealing with different currencies in transactions. Here, find the Main Currency option. This is where you can specify what your primary currency will be. In cases where you might have to work with multiple currencies, having a clearly defined main currency helps keep everything organized. Now, click on the drop-down menu for currency selection. You will see a list of currencies already available. If your desired currency isn't in the list, you can add it by selecting the Add Currency option. Choose your currency from the options available and make sure it's the correct one for your business operations. After adding your currency, you'll want to ensure everything is saved properly. Look to the top left corner of the window. There should be a Save button there. Click it to confirm and finalize the changes you've just made. Saving is crucial, as it updates your settings to reflect the currency change. Finally, after you hit Save, take a moment to review your settings. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully changed the currency in Odoo. It's a straightforward process, but one that requires a little attention to detail, especially in ensuring that your main currency settings reflect your business needs. Remember, keeping your currency settings accurate helps maintain clarity in your accounting processes and facilitates smoother transactions. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials on Odoo and other business software tips. Happy accounting!